Jasmine Manalo Medina, your registered medical technologist. Clinical laboratory/medical clinic has been opened in 2012, and we aim to provide quality and affordable medical and laboratory services to Maragondon and nearby towns.
Congratulations, JA Manalo Medical Laboratory and Polyclinic sa inyong expansion. Sana more blessings to come and mas marami pang maging pasyente yung clinic.
Congratulations sa JA Manalo Medical Laboratory and Polyclinic.
Continue to grow and continue to serve the people.
Hello, Ma'am Jazz. Congratulations sa another year and another clinic mo. More success in your business.
Actually, our second clinic blessing, 2012, nagkaroon na rin po kami ng initial na clinic blessing. Ngayon po, nag-blessing po kami ulit kasi nagkaroon po kami ng expansion. Pinalaki po namin from 40 square meters. Ang aming pong clinic ngayon ay nasa 220 square meters na.
Ama namin makapangyarihan sa iyong paglingap sa tanan, hindi minahadlangan ng mapuspo sa iyong pagkapala ang aming iniisip at ginagawa. Ipagkaloob mo ang aming lulutas ay makatagpo sa karampatang lunas sa tulong ng ipagkataguyod sa laboratory at klinika na ito.
Congratulations to Jasmine Manalo and her diagnostic center, and more power.
Hi! Congratulations, Jazz and Ruel, sa inyong napakagandang clinic. More power and more years of services.
Ang aming pong vision para sa laboratoryong ito ay maging leading laboratory po sa aming area at mas marami po kaming matulungang pasyente at mabigyan pa ng mas maraming serbisyo.